Hey food lovers, welcome to Recipe Fevers, another vlog. Guys, are you the one among them who don't have a grinder at home but want to make a perfect medu vada like this using a mixie? Well, I will tell you my magical secret tips to make this easy peasy, crispy and soft medu vada using a mixie. So my dear ones, let's get started. So guys, first we need to soak the urad dal. For that, I will measure and take 1 cup of urad dal. Well, my first advice to everyone is that you must wash the dal well to remove the dirt and impurities from it. So, I have washed it well and I will now add enough water to soak the dal. Guys, here is my very important tip, that is, I will close this with a lid and refrigerate the dal for 4 hours. Yes guys, you heard me right. You have to keep it for soaking in the refrigerator. But why? It's because if I do this, the batter doesn't heat up while grinding in the mixie. Now, it's been 4 hours. The urad dal has plumped up well. So, I will drain the water from the dal. Guys, let's now add it to a mixie jar little at a time and grind the dal. Here is my second important tip. That is, you should add very little water at a time and grind it, else the vada batter will become runny. Oh no, I don't want that to happen guys. So what you can do is just add 2 tablespoons of water each time you grind them. The vada batter consistency should be a thick and smooth one for us to shape it perfectly. So guys, try to add less water as much as possible. I know, still there would be some people who will ask me, what should I do if my vada batter becomes a bit runny even though I added very less water? Don't worry guys, all you need to do is add 1 or 2 tablespoons of rice flour to your batter and mix it. Also, make sure that you don't add more than that. Well, that being said, our medu vada batter is ready. Let's spice it up by adding 1 onion that is chopped, 2 teaspoons chopped ginger, 1 green chilli chopped, few chopped curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder, 1/2 teaspoon pepper powder, and finally 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix everything well. Guys, here is a quick question to all. Do you want to make your vada to look bubbly like mine? Well, for that, here is my tip. That is, you should now beat the batter using your hands well to incorporate more air to the batter. This will make the vada more soft inside and crispy outside without adding any kind of baking soda or powder. Let's then heat up the kadai with enough oil for frying the vadas. Now here comes the important question. How to shape this batter into medu vada? For that, what I will do is, I will damp little water on my right hand so that the batter doesn't stick to my hand. Now, I will take some batter onto my right hand. Then, I will dip the index finger of my left hand in water and make a hole in the center of the vada. Guys, it's pretty easy, right? Next, I will gently turn my hands and slide the vada carefully into the hot oil. Ding ding, it's done. Yes guys, it's so easy as you can see. Let's flip them on both sides and fry the vadas on a low-medium flame throughout until it turns to a light golden brown color. Similarly, let's make the remaining vadas as well. Wow! Yum yum yummy! The bubbly soft and crispy medu vada is ready to be served. Let's serve it hot with some coconut chutney by the side. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and press all to get instant notifications of my new recipes. Also, if you like my video, hit that like button. Share your suggestions and feedback in the comment section with me. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.